Hi everyone, it's Tammy Mastroberti, author of The Universe is Talking to You, Tap into Signs and Synchronicity to Reveal Magical Moments Every Day, and founder of Elevated Existence Magazine. And as you can see, this video is going to be all about why you should take time every day to be in nature in some way, why it's so beneficial, and why I'm sitting outside right now is because this is something easy and small and won't take a lot of your time. So let's get into it. So you might hear a lot of people talk about nature and how it's calming and it's centering and it's grounding, and that's because it is, right? So just taking a walk outside, if you have a lunch break during the day, or if you have kids and you can go outside with them for a little bit during the day, especially right now it's springtime in New Jersey, so it's beautiful out. We're moving into the summer months. Everybody wants to get outdoors, right? It's harder to do in the winter, but even in the winter, you can go for a walk outside. It makes a difference. There are scientific studies that show the benefits of the body just being around nature. There's something called earthing, where if you take your shoes and your socks off and walk barefoot, either in sand, in grass, in dirt, and just allow the electrons of the earth to come up into you, believe it or not, all of this works. It makes a difference. And again, there's scientific studies on earthing, on how it's beneficial for your blood pressure. It's calming to the nervous system. It grounds you and centers you. Why do you think trees are so grounding? They're rooted into the earth. So can you take a few minutes a day to walk around barefoot, especially when it's nice out? Can you go and sit with your back up against a tree and just breathe in the air for a couple of minutes? I have a friend of mine who once told me she likes to go and sit and put her forehead up against a tree and just breathe for a couple of minutes. Completely grounding. That's why you hear people say, go out and hug a tree. It's funny, right? But it literally will ground your entire body. That's why a lot of grounding essential oils are like balsam fir and spruce oil and blue spruce and all of these different things, because they have a grounding nature to them. So where in your life can you get outdoors? Just go for a walk. If you don't want to hug a tree, you don't have to hug a tree. But can you maybe just sit with your back up against it or stand with your back up against it? Just for a minute and feel the difference in your body. Can you go for a walk, even if it's in your own backyard? Can you go for a walk down the street? Can you go and spend 10 minutes in the park? Can you go to the park on your lunch hour? I teach so much about taming the chaos in our lives, and one of the ways that you can physically and mentally tame the chaos in your life is to be around and within nature. It doesn't take a lot of time. It makes such a big difference, and you will feel it in your day. You will feel less chaotic. You will feel more centered. And it's something that's available to all of us. Again, even in the winter, you can just go outside and put your back up against a tree. Even in your big parka or whatever you have on, right? You can still put your forehead up against a tree. So I wanted to just come on here and talk to you about it, because it's not just something that people say or that you might have heard about. It's something that actually physically has benefits as well as mentally has benefits. So I want you to try it. Try it today. Again, on your lunch hour, if you have kids at home, go for a walk outside, put them in the stroller, let them go play in the backyard, and allow yourself to feel it. Teach your kids that walking barefoot on the grass is good for them, and it's good for their, their bodies and minds as well. So that's why we're outside today. I hope this helps you. I hope that you will at some point today, take a break and just go out into nature, even just for a couple minutes. Do the release exercise or the 60-minute reset exercise that I talk about. Just go out and repeat the word release, or repeat the words let go, and just let go of all the stress and allow the nature, the trees, the grass, the earth to feed you in your body and your mind. It's something available to all of us, and it's there for you right now. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment below, what do you love about nature? What are some things that maybe you do? And I will see you guys in the next video.